This is English shorthand dictation legal matter. Ready? Start. Mr. Chaudhary submitted that seniority list in the teaching stream had been prepared on the basis of appointment of the candidates as assistant professors and the respondents could not, therefore, claim that their service as civil surgeons be counted for seniority, though they had not acquired the postgraduate degree and were not, therefore, entitled to be appointed against a teaching post prior thereto. Stop para. Mr. Chaudhary submitted that the decision in Dr. N. Ramchandra Rao case cited by the Mr. Guru Raja Rao had no application to the facts of this case since it dealt with the 1982 rules and a person who did not have the requisite qualification for being transferred to the teaching cadre could not claim the benefit of seniority over those who had already been transferred to the teaching cadre since they had the requisite qualifications. Stop. Para. Mr. Chaudhary urged that this was not a case of vertical upgradation in the same category but a lateral transfer from the non-teaching line to the teaching line after the candidate in the non-teaching line had acquired the requisite qualifications for such transfer, as would be evident from Rule 14 of the 1988 rules. Para. From the submissions made on behalf of the respective parties, what emerges is that the medical service under the Medical and Health Department in the state of Andhra Pradesh is governed by the special rules framed under the proviso to Article 309 of the Constitution and issued under GOMS number 43 dated 16 January 1982. Stop. Under the said rules, there was no post of assistant professor and provision had been made only for appointment of civil assistant surgeons, both for teaching and non-teaching purposes in the medical colleges. Stop. The Medical Council of India threatened to withdraw recognition to the medical colleges unless separate provision was made to separate the teaching and the non-teaching cadre by appointment of assistant professors, which resulted in the amendment of the rules provide GOMS number 82 dated 29th March 1988. Stop. The said rule provided for the division of the medical service into teaching cadre, non-teaching cadre, and laboratories. Stop. Para. Under the new rules, the teaching cadre was separately constituted into a new cadre strength designated as assistant professors, whereas non-teaching posts such as civil assistant surgeons, deputy civil surgeons, and civil surgeons were separately categorized, and the qualifications for those posts were also different. Stop. As vacancies arose in either of the cadres, several applications were filed before the Andhra Pradesh Administrative Tribunal, which were disposed of with directions to the department to strictly follow the rules issued under GOMS number 154 dated 4/5/2002. Stop. Para. In this state of facts, those civil assistant surgeons, who had acquired the postgraduate degree and were subsequently included in the teaching cadre, claimed that for reckoning seniority, their post service as non-teaching staff should also be taken into consideration.